Figuring out your monthly mortgage payments is relatively easy as long as you know how to use a mortgage calculator. Understanding the calculations about putting interest in and calculating that over 30 years is not really necessary. There's a ton of mortgage calculators online. Googling mortgage calculator and just knowing what numbers to plug into that is the easiest way to do it. So there's four main things that you're going to want to plug into these mortgage calculators. Number one is going to be the principal. That's the amount that you're borrowing from the lender. Number two is going to be the interest rate, and that's the amount the lender is charging to lend you this money. You'll see often on the calculators, it'll default to, standard mortgage rate. So you can use that for now if you don't have the exact number as to what your lender quoted you for. So the next part of this is going to be your escrow account. Two things in your escrow account are going to be your property taxes and your homeowner's insurance. Now for your property taxes, you're going to have most likely last year's estimate, depending on the time of the year that you buy the house. After you have that, you're gonna next need a homeowner's insurance number to plug into the mortgage calculator. That you're not going to have an exact number yet because you're not going to get a homeowner's insurance quote until you've done your home inspections and you get the correct inspection reports for the insurance company. So the best thing to do for that is, for budgeting purposes, is to either ask your local insurance company that's recommended to you and give them the property details and give you a rough number. But when you have those four factors, you plug them into the mortgage calculator and that will give you an accurate monthly payment.